Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and today is Thursday, September 6th of 2018. So just a reminder, Thursdays are usually Throwback Thursday time, so maybe some of the teachers and staff shared some pictures of what they look like when they were kids from what I had done last week. I didn't bring any for this time. I totally forgot. It's Throwback Thursday. That whole day off on Monday threw me off. So I will bring in my Throwback Thursday picture next week for us to kind of look at. It will be a funny one. I promise you that. So we have early dismissal coming up next week on Wednesday. That dismissal will be at 1:05. So boys and girls, just remind your parents about that, please. Our teachers will be participating in a reading leveling training today. So make sure you bring your benchmark assessment kit, and that will be happening at 2:15. Also, September birthdays. I know many of you have them, so I will start making an announcement for September birthdays starting tomorrow. I just got to print off the list, so I will get that and have that ready for tomorrow for all our September birthdays. Lunch choices. Here are our lunch choices for today. Spaghetti with meat sauce and bread, cheeseburger, and fun on the run, along with steamed green beans, sweet peas and crispy romaine lettuce, apples, bananas, and pineapple, along with milk. And then I do have 3 great students here today to kind of go over our pause for a positive attitude.
All right, boys and girls, we're going to be talking about having a positive attitude today. So we do have some examples of making sure that we keep a positive attitude and how we can help out our friends.
Help others, help people on the playground.
So a lot of things that you can do to help out other people today. So let's keep a positive attitude and make sure that we're helping people, especially others and ourselves.
Great advice. So I very much appreciate that. A lot of the things focused on how we can help out others in keeping a positive attitude. I know on the playground sometimes you have conflict with one another. It's hard to be positive. So one way you can resolve that easily enough, just play rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins that moves on. So sometimes you might need to do that within the Foursquare great games that I've seen you guys play out there. So keep a positive attitude even at recess time. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you, and if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing and put your hand over your heart. I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job today with the pledge, boys and girls. I appreciate it. So you guys have a great day today. Keep that positive attitude in all areas at all times. And as always, you make the choices. It's up to you to make it a great day.